guys, it's time to cook this tokwa with the chicken curry recipe and this bell pepper. I will cook in different ways, okay? Watch me. Okay, I will fry the tokwa first. Before I mix the curry here, you have to fry first. But sorry guys, because I have to open the exhaust fan, so it's a little bit noisy, okay? Sorry. The tokwa is already cooked and I have to prepare the sauce for this. Okay, this is the sauce. Okay, that's the sauce. Okay guys, this is the sauce, because this is the one we have to boil the sauce like this. Okay, this is, I don't understand because it's written in Chinese. So okay guys, and now I'm going to put the fried tokwa like this. Okay guys, I have to put the fried tokwa. This is the food of Chinese here. Okay, they teach me how to do this one, so every time if they want to eat tokwa, I'll do it like this. Slice in small, cut in small pieces, and fry it with olive oil. After, I'll mix with the sauce of this sauce. Okay, my God. I have to put it all here, and then mix it with this chopstick like this. So it's like this. Have to mix, and after it's ready to eat. It's ready to eat. Oh my God, I'm sorry, I'm not fluent in speaking English. Okay, so I'm sorry if my English is not really good, and I'm sorry for that. I only want to show how I cook a tokwa here like this, so how it is. Okay, so this is ready to serve. I will put in the table, and after my madam will come. Okay, I will cook the bell pepper right away. Okay, wait.